To fix a lint error, what you do is you just run npm run lint, and it'll highlight and give you and show you each of the elements or the places, the lines of code or the line in the file where the error is. So for example, in my case, I was using image instead of the image component from React and Next.js. And here it was telling me to use, it tells you exactly what it does, so it's actually very straightforward. You just need to follow the instructions. Right here, right, it tells you the exact line of code that each one of those is at. But I believe there was one other one that it didn't catch. No, it did catch it. It's right here. So if you assign a value but never use it, that'll affect, or that'll be a lint error as well. So it should fix it if you just comment it out as well. And for these other ones, right, for example, it was telling me that this apostrophe right here, I have to use this instead of that to fix that error, or write any of the other ampersands in there. So this is how you would fix lint errors. If you're, in my case, I'm using Netlify for my Next.js application, and what's kind of funky is that it will still show up on your local host. You won't see the errors here, but you will see a deploy error once you push it live. But again, it's really simple to fix it. Just run npm run lint, and it'll highlight and show you what you need to do to fix it, and exactly the places that need to be fixed as well.